What's going on, guys? Back again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Raven. No, we're not. I'm lying. Today we are in Arnold. Yeah, today we're in Arnold. I'm gonna meet the lads on the round. I'm gonna roll out a load of this morning's work, the first 20 minutes or so. So I thought I'd take you with me, take you on my journey. Oh my god, that's heavy. There's soil in that. You're not meant to have soil in it. Old lady. You just have to let it fly sometimes, unfortunately. I'll only have to come back and get it anyway. There we go. Shut the old lady's gate. Yeah, today we're in Arnold, around Wilco's area and all up the top near the school, Arnold Hill and that. I've got my chest pro today, my chest cam, so we'll see how that looks on the footage when we're done. If it looks all good, then finally see some proper work. I'm seeing people complaining that a bit of hate, saying we're a bit too easy and stuff, but you've got to bear in mind the only time I've recorded is when I've been able to hold the camera and it's been a light day, so now you'll be able to see the real action. Doing? What is he doing? He's puffing and I'm rolling bins onto the curb. Some people just can't drive. Oh. What do you do with that? An old geezer just starts faffing when you're rolling a bin out to the curb because it's scared that you're going to roll it out into the road. Any problem with doing this, saving yourself a bit of time, is sometimes you go through this effort and roll all the ones out in the morning. You get a bunch of late bins, so you have people who bring them out a bit too late, so now they're not all paired up no more, and you have people that come out, check the bin, see that it's still full, but yet still take it back to the house. So I've dragged it down the road a little bit to pair it up, take it back in 10 minutes. They've already took it back full. Morning, buddy, you alright?
Nice and day.
Yeah, a little bit better. Extra bag of grass there. See, garden waste is paid waste, so they shouldn't be putting extra bags out. Sometimes they tell us to chuck them on, sometimes they tell them not to touch anything, so we get put in a bit of a predicament. The way we see it is they come out nice and nicely. Got no problem chucking it on at all. If they're leaving 5 bags, 10 bags on the side, just expecting you to chuck it on, and it don't get put on, does it? Can't get no fairer than that. Oh, there's some weight in them today. think it's going to be 2 tips to the trip. Sometimes you can manage today on 1. So we do alternative weeks. 1 week we do 5 days, next week we do a different 5 days, and then the next week back to the 5 days originally. And on this week, today and tomorrow are our easiest days out of the whole 2 weeks. So we tend to try and get a move on so we can actually get an early finish for a change. And it looks like the weather's starting to pick up. It's about time. I think my original load of Ben is not in today. Daughter's not very well and he's in hospital. So if that's the case, I've got an agency with me. Some agency are alright, don't get me wrong, but most of them have got no go in them at all. A couple of the last few agency I've had, we've had agency come in. My boss has said, yeah, I'm sending them out to you now because my load has had to go home or whatever. And they get here and they've been like, I've never put a bin on, but agency told me to tell you that I could. So now I'm an hour late already. They send an agency like that that's got no experience of bins whatsoever, and we're already an hour behind. So plus him being slow, overall, it's just knocked my day back to probably 2.5 hours overall late. Plus trying to show him what to do all day, and when people think it's easy, but it's not as simple as you think. So I end up having to carry him. I have to end up taking over and doing all the extra bits. It just longs your day out that bit more that you don't need. I roll this road out, and roll that road back down there out, and when the truck should be close by. I do appreciate all the love you've been showing there, guys. Make sure you always smash a like and a comment, even if it's not a polite comment. Anything helps, to be honest. Oh, no pull out today. Yeah, anything helps. And it's all a learning curve, isn't it? So every time you point something out to me that I can do better or we're doing wrong, it's all a learning curve. And you'll have to let me know if you like this perspective. But obviously at the moment I'm just out on my own, rolling out. I've gone out 15-20 minutes earlier off my own back, so meant to start at 7. It's about 22 now, 1:45. Well, it was when I started. Me and Toby will be alright though, we'll crack on with it. You can hear how light these ones are compared to them other ones. Old people's bit, this bit, so they're a bit lighter. Great news. Yeah, so I go roll out 20 minutes, half hour sometimes. They'll do the first 10 minutes work and then I'll just meet them. And then the next hour we'll just fly through. And now there's no school traffic. I just remembered that should be a great bonus for today. Usually we get blocked in school traffic for a few hours. Well, not a few hours, but a good 10 minutes here and a 10 minutes there. Takes momentum away from you. Well, that's that bit done. Little bin behind that edge there, I didn't see that one. Drag that out. Try and get a nice bit of footage for you all, because I go on holiday soon, so got a week abroad in Lanzarote at the end of the month, and I've got 2 weeks all inclusive Turkey at the end of September, so that time I go get some sunshine instead of this horrible English weather. As you can see, the truck has arrived, doing the few bins up top. Alright, on time. So they'll do these few bins here that I'm doing. Also I gotta roll that road out and then they'll back down to me. And then we're all together again. Who have I got though? What agency have I got today? Hopefully it's someone that can keep up. Yeah, you have to let me know what kind of content you're into. Whether you want it recording is mainly on the bins, whether you like the tip footage. A lot of people seem to enjoy that post. I only posted it last night and a few people's reached out. Something different. I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, just vlogging away. Now I've got this chest cam though, we're going to see all sorts. Before I was holding the camera and I didn't want to put it in front of public and all that, so I couldn't record when it was heavy traffic and all that, and I'm sure we're going to get a lot of incidents because there's always something going on the bin life. The day in a bin life. A squirrel. feels empty. Look at that. Sometimes. I mean, that's not as bad as half of them that we can get sometimes. Sometimes there's no point pointing it out though. It's only 2 weeks in it. 2 weeks worth of waste. And you're barely covering the floor of your bin. Why put it out? Save us the time. We're going to get it in your garden. Tell you what this job has helped with the last few months though, is I've been starting to eat a bit healthier, starting to lose a bit of weight. And these 10-15 miles you do every single day means you don't need no gym, plus all this lugging around heavy garden bins. By the time you've done one of these rounds, mate, you are done. My agency have had crying, oh, we're done yet, we're done yet. No mate, we've got 2 hours left to be rest. You can already tell that Ben's not here though. But I'm pretty sure it's not Ben because they're taking longer than usual. I feel like they would already be backing down here now. One of the other trucks, old Diddy truck. Whew, that's my little bit done for a second. I just rolled out that bottom bit. They should be coming down here any minute. Drink of water.